flasksocketio emit from another module. I have almost read every piece of article available on the internet, but nothing seems to work for my case. I have installed flasksocketio and everything works fine until I emit the messages from a module other than app.py. I have tried several ways to accomplish this, and I have also read in the doc about it by using Redis, but it also did not work for me. Here are the code snippets that I have. app.py. my_module.py. Note that I have imported app inside the method because app.py also imports my_module.py. I am able to join room. When I call localhost :5001/message, it does emit to my_room. The emit does not work inside my_module.py, and I have no idea why. I am consoling the messages that I get from the server at the front end, so I know for sure which messages are received and which are not. Also, the sum_ method here is called by an API request from app.py. Just in case if that is relevant. I have made logger equals true, and then I get this message printed on the terminal for each emit call. Even with the one inside sum_ method. Emitting event message to my_room, /. Does that mean message is actually sent? If yes, then why am I not getting it in the jQuery at front end? This is what I am doing in HTML page.
Please try and install Redis and Eventlet for asynchronous calls and to send messages from other modules. As described in the documentation, then you can change your line in app.py too.
Socketio.